Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a task on Google Tasks. So first of all, we want to open Google Tasks. After opening Google Tasks, for creating a new task, here on the left you can see how many options, and here is an option you can see here create. Click on that, and from here you can just add the title. And after adding the title, here you can just set the date and time, or if you want to select it to all day, then you can click it to all day. And then from here you can just add the description, and after doing everything you can click on save, and then you can see that you had been added a task on Google Tasks. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.